I have to show that 4 to the power n is greater than 3n plus 7 for all integer n is greater than 1, and I have to use mathematical induction to do that. So the first number will be, since n is greater than 1, not greater than equals to, so the first will be n is equal to 2. So I will see whether I can prove this identity. So when n is equal to 2, this one is 4 square and the other one is 4 times 2 plus 7, so this is 16 and this is 13. So basically 4n is greater than 3n plus 1 plus 7, so 4n becomes 4 to the power n becomes that, and 3n plus 7 becomes that. So now I will assume that this one is, the relationship is true when n is equal to k. So when I do that, it becomes 4 to the power k is greater than 3k plus 7. So let's leave it like that, and then we see what happens when n is equal to k plus 1. So when n is equal to k plus 1, 4 to the power n becomes 4 to the power k plus 1, which is 4 to the power k times 4 there. Now instead of that, if I write 4 to the power k, I can write 3k plus 7. Was it 7? Yep, 7. So 7 there, and then times 4, because this one is greater than less than 4 to the power k, so I can write that. So now it is becoming 12k plus 28, and then I can rewrite this one. So what I have to do is, when n is equal to k plus 1, this side becomes 3k plus 1 plus 7, so that's 3k plus 3 plus 7, which is 3k plus 10. So I clearly see that this one can be written 3k plus 10 plus 9k plus 18. So this one would be the right side when n is equal to k plus 1. So obviously the whole thing is even bigger. So 4n is greater than 3n plus 7. So basically when this whole thing is when 3 to the power n, 3n plus 7, when n is equal to k plus 1, that is this part, and the whole thing is even bigger than that. The whole thing is even greater than that. So we have shown that this one is greater than, so 4 to the power is greater than 3n plus 7 when n is equal to k plus 1. So by substituting k is equal to 3, we get, if k is equal to 3, it will be true for k is equal to 4. Similarly, once we have proved it for k to the power k is equal to 4, it will be for k to the k is equal to 5, and so on. So this way we are able to show that the relationship is true for all integer k when n is greater than 1. So just the way mathematical induction works, so it is proved that way.